Imagine repairing a damaged heart, regrowing nerves, or even reversing aging tissues. This is not science fiction. This is stem cell biotechnology. In today's BioTech episode, we explore how stem cells are reshaping medicine from lab benches to life-saving therapies. Welcome to BioTech. Stem cells are the body's raw materials differentiated. Cells capable of becoming any type of specialized cell. Think of them as the master key that can open any biological door. They come in several types. Embryonic stem cells, which are pluripotent and can become any cell in the body. Adult stem cells, which are multipotent and more specialized. And induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, which are adult cells reprogrammed back into a stem-like state. Each type has its unique power and purpose in regenerative medicine. Stem cells heal the body in several ways. They regenerate damaged tissues, replace cells that have died, and modulate the immune system to reduce inflammation. For example, in spinal injuries, stem cells can help neurons regrow. In heart failure, they regenerate cardiac muscle. And in diabetes, they may repair insulin-producing beta cells. They don't just support healing, they become the healing. In cutting-edge biotech labs, stem cells are now used to grow organoids, tiny lab-grown organs, to test drugs and understand disease mechanisms. Even more exciting, scientists are engineering stem cells to carry therapeutic genes. That means stem cells can now be customized to deliver gene therapy directly to where it's needed. The fusion of stem cells and genetic engineering is creating a powerful new kind of medicine. Stem cell therapy is no longer experimental. Real lives are being saved. Bone marrow transplants, a form of stem cell therapy, are curing blood cancers like leukemia. In some patients with macular degeneration, stem cell injections have helped restore vision. Burn victims are receiving stem cell-based skin grafts that integrate into their own tissue. We are witnessing the early results of a medical revolution, but challenges remain. Some stem cell therapies risk triggering immune rejection. Others can form tumors if not properly controlled. And the use of embryonic stem cells raises deep ethical questions. Fortunately, advances like iPSCs are allowing researchers to bypass these controversies using adult cells to create flexible, pluripotent ones. Now imagine this: a future where your own cells can regrow your liver, reverse a stroke, or fix a genetic flaw. Biotech companies are already growing kidneys in labs, repairing hearts. In clinical trials and using AI to guide stem cell differentiation, stem cells are not just repairing damage, they're reprogramming life itself. Stem cells are not just healing the body, they're transforming medicine. Thanks for watching BioTech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions. We may feature them in the next episode.